Here I have SONY Xperia 10 Plus, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning, open list of all applications and then select the settings. Here you should scroll down and pick lock screen and security. So it's just under the storage, and scroll down one more time, and under device security you will notice Fingerprint Manager. So just open it. And now, as you can see, you can activate Unlock with Fingerprint, so just tap on Next to do it. And here you can select the backup for your fingerprint. It can be either pattern, PIN code, or the password. So let me pick, for example, pattern. And my pattern will be that, like that, so it's N letter, confirm it. And now it's time to decide if you would like to see the notifications while your device is locked, or if you would like to hide sensitive information, or if you want to see all the content. I will just hide sensitive content and then tap on Done. And as you can see, before you start, you have to hold your device normally and clear your fingerprint sensor, which is here. This is your fingerprint sensor, and here you will be putting your fingerprint. So as you can see, you have to keep repeating. Just keep tapping on the sensor until it's fully added. So you just have to move your finger slightly to within the range of your fingerprint to add it. And it's almost done. And that's it. As you can see, the fingerprint has been added. When you see its icon, you can use your fingerprint for identifications or to approve the purchases. So just tap on Done. And now, as you can see, let's go back. If you will lock your device, you will be able to simply unlock it with your fingerprint. And that's it. Now you can use it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.